Welcome to the onboard video training of cargo. This video will highlight the common observations by vetting inspectors when auditing the navigational requirements as per Chapter 4 of the Vessel Inspection Questionnaire. One of the areas of detailed inspection on bridge will be the use of navigational charts, the information plotted therein, and maintenance of same. The common deficiencies observed are: torn and taped charts may be in use. The chart has not been corrected to the latest notice to mariners. The T and P notices have not been plotted on the chart in pencil. The courses are laid using a pen. There are visible signs of use of highlighters and permanent marking pens. Parallel indexing not carried out when navigating in coastal areas. Celestial fixes not being used for ocean passages. Reliance of deep-sea positions only on DGPS. Position fixing by DGPS when there was alternative reliable option of fixing vessel's position by radar or visual landmarks. UKC was not marked when vessel transiting close to shallow waters or no-go areas. Another important document to be checked in conjunction with the charts is the passage plan. The passage plan not verified by the master and not signed by other watchkeepers. The under-keel clearance calculations were not correct, with vessel transiting a port approach area having UKC less than as recommended by company guidelines. There was no specific advice from the company permitting same. The chart correction log was not being maintained correctly. The performance monitor not being used for checking the performance of the radar. The master's standing orders were not signed by all the watchkeepers. The compass error book shows very high deviations, much higher than the deviation card that is more than 3 degrees. No record of errors being checked using leading lights or transit bearings. The echo sounder is not marked at time of passing critical navigation areas or on berthing. The appearance of company posters and extracts of company instructions further help the inspector in verifying the best navigational practices being pursued by the vessel.